What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Xillerated channel. Today I am working on my window pillars, C pillars, A pillars, I don't know what pillars, but my window pillars, because they are faded right now. So this side I started pulling off the trim, then I realized I need to be recording this stuff. So basically it's faded right now, and I'm pretty much gonna probably wrap this in the vinyl wrap the vinyl decal stickers I was using, and use that as a wrap instead of making stickers out of it. And I'm gonna wrap this up probably, but the fact that I pulled this off and see that there's 3 screws, I'm gonna remove those screws and see if this pops off, and then spray paint it, clear coat it, and then I'm gonna throw on some of the new goodies I got today, which are the WellVisors, window visors, pretty much, to slap onto the car. But right now I'm just gonna clean this all up, get the fade out, and make it all black again so it looks nice. And once that's done, throw on that window visor. So I got the top screw off. You guys do not lose that. Do not let that drop down the door unless you want to take your panels off, because even a magnet won't grab onto this screw. As you can see, compared to this, magnetized, but this screw is not magnetizing to the magnet. But yeah, what you guys want to do is pretty much just hold on tight to it. There's 3 of them, so you got one way at the bottom, middle, and top to unscrew. So I'm gonna do that and then remove this window pillar. So I haven't done this before on any cars. I used to just tape this up and then put like newspaper on the window and then spray paint this, and never took this apart. But now I'm taking it apart, and it's actually pretty simple. You grab the 3 screws, then I think you pretty much you push up and out it goes. So there you go. Your window pillar is off. Now you can sand it, spray paint it, and slap it back onto the car once it's done. So I decided to go with a different route with this, and I put this pillar back on, and I'm just gonna use this vinyl sticker I got. Luckily with this I could spray soap bubbles and move this around. I don't know how regular vinyl works, but I know this vinyl, the 651 vinyl I'm using, Oracle. Oh, it's actually Oracle 751. I could spray soap bubbles and then move this around and adjust it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, put this on here, then cut down the middle, and then start tucking all the vinyls inside of here, and hopefully it comes out nice. Hey, never seen it done, so I'm gonna try it, and if it works, these things are like only, for a good amount of these, only about $7. But I'll leave a link in the description down below for this, and yeah, let me get to this. So I got this pretty much put on with soap bubble, and I cut it up so I could open a door. Right now I have it closed because of the beeping, but the way I was gonna do it was probably work the passenger side first and then work on the driver's side. But because of the beeping, I'm gonna work the driver's side first, get this done and smoothing out. Then I'm gonna show you guys how to do it on the passenger side. So this beeping, oh actually wait, I'm tripping. I got too used to having my keys inside that I'm used to hearing the beeping sound. But yeah, so now that I got that off, I'm gonna work the passenger side first and then work on the driver's side. But let me go grab my tripod so I can put you guys up while I work on this. Okay, so I'm actually gonna work the driver's side first because with the way the lighting situation, I gotta put the camera facing into the garage, and pretty much this is the side that I could do pretty well right now. So the vinyl is actually drying up right now, so I'm just gonna spray some more bubbles so I could be able to move this. You guys say that this is bad, but so far I've been doing this on a lot of stuff and it hasn't got removed. So I'm pretty much gonna work this out. Yeah, I'm using a Bondo thing because it works out nicely. It's pretty much like tinting. Okay, you guys, so I didn't use no heat gun or nothing, but as you can see, I got it right there nicely flushed and tucked away. So all I have to do now is just put the weather strip back on, and there you go. That's how you redo your A-pillar, window pillars with just regular vinyl or whatever, you know. Okay guys, so I know I said I was going to show you guys how it looked after I got all the vinyl on, but I just wanted to show that I got all the vinyl on, but I might as well do an unboxing of the WellVisors. So if you got a cd5, here's a WellVisor I got for, let's see, don't recall how much I got it for. I think it was like 40 something bucks, $45. But I have a link in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. It says delivered. See this? $45.99. So I have the link down below for this product right here, and as you can see, it doesn't come with instructions. It comes with clips, wipes, I believe. Yeah, these are wipes. And it says for installation video instruction, please visit the website and all that. But here you guys go. This is how, let's see if I could remove this with one hand. I mean, there you go. Should have just got my tripod. Let me see if I could balance you on the car real quick. Oh, nope. Let me get the tripod. There you go. This looks like it's going to be the passenger side window. Wow, that's WellVisors right there. Looks real clean. Alright, so I'm going to mock this up onto the car and see how it looks. Okay guys, I just got done installing the WellVisors, and let me tell you, visors and just little things always do a difference to the car. And even though my car needs a wash, but check this out. There goes the WellVisor on the cd5. Got it nicely installed. Oh yeah. So shout out to WellVisors, because this is a nice one, really high quality window visor right there. And I love the fact that it doesn't stop like up here, and it actually extends out all the way onto the blank spot that's right here. But yeah, so that's how that looks like. So if you guys want this window visor, and as well, if you guys notice the vinyl, it is shiny. I did kind of scuff it up. I gotta wipe it down a bit, but that's how it came out. But anyways, guys, check down on the link below for the window visors, the vinyl, and my Xillerated sticker. My sister has the final one, as I said. The one I got, it's pretty basic. I'm gonna remove this and put the new one on there soon. But if you guys want all that stuff I got on in the video, please look at the link down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.